High school. Many have said that high school is one of the most memorable events in our lives in which we can meet our lifetime friends, lifetime partners, our dreams, and even once in a lifetime experience that molds us in becoming a better individuals. Let's see the story of Friends Lifetime Barkada. It was the first day of classes when Fenella, Jillian, Ellie, and Grace met Michael. Ever since then, Michael and Fenella started seeing each other often.
Hello, Jeline. Yes, where are you? Okay, we're going to play. Please call Sobe. Yeah, para makapag-start na tayo. Yes. Okay. Okay, bye.
High school. It is about having fun while achieving your goals in life.
That's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will.
My friend.
Hi.
My friend. Ardit.
Hi.
This is Van, Ellie, Tasha, Ren.
We are called to help our friends in need.
Ren, sino yung katabi mo? Si Nen.
I'll be there.
Ardit. Ito ka. Wala po ka sa kanila.
Due to their closeness, Fenella, after graduation, decided to ask her barkada to work on their company. Though Fenella is the daughter of the company owner, she's still at her starting position since she is a fresh graduate.
Ano ka talaga? Oo, nasa office. Medyo busy, pero okay lang. Kaya naman yun. Mamaya? O sige, try ko. Oo, sige, pupunta ako. Tapusin ko lang yung work ko, then susunod ako. Sige. Doon sa dati? Sige, bye!
Fenella's team is not functioning well anymore. She tends to easily get angry without any concrete reason. Might be because of the pressure she's having.
Why are you late?
Ma'am, traffic po sa Bukal.
Hindi excuse ng traffic.
Okay po, sorry.
Asan ang project?
Kami na lang po yung traffic proposal.
Ano to?
Friend.
Alam ko project yan, pero hindi ano pinag-usapan natin.
Ma'am,
Gawin mo ulit. Maraming deadline ngayon, kaya gawin mo na kayo. Go! Tingin pa.
Feeling so small.
Friends.
Excuse me?
Nasa trabaho kayo, diba? Ikaw, Miss Ellen, trabaho mo. Tapos na? May deadline pa kayo. Ikaw, Miss Jeline. Ikaw, Miss Grace. Napera ko matalo. Miss Van, parang narinig ko pinagchichismisan mo ako.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
At kayong dalawa, nasa office kayo, di ba? Kailan ang outfit mo?
ma'am, Pop's not dead.
Sorry that
How's
I
that? You
couldn't
want to
get
get
to you.
You want to get fired? Bukas na Mga deadlines ha. 5 p.m. now. Yes, ma'am.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
And even to her boyfriend, Michael.
Guys, mukhang good day. Napakalagitan mo.
Hi, Vicky.
Ang cute ng breakfast.
Ito, may gift ako para sa
Thanks.
pwede ko tayo lang mas mamaya.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Diba? Di ba nakikita?
May gift ako.
Di ba ba rin? Yes, nga ko. Pinagstay na lang.
Couldn't get to
Pinag-usapan na natin to.
Hindi ka ba nakakatindi? Sabi ko next time. Diba? Ang dami kong trabaho, marami kong deadline. Baka mo pwede maghintay na lang. Ano kong trabaho mo?
Dati. Bakit dati?
Dati yun. Dati yun.
something, I'm giving up on you.
I want to see you in her office immediately.
Okay, thank you.
So ano?
Narinig mo? Nakatawag ako?
So hindi na tuloy yung date natin?
Hindi. Kaya tama na. Malis ka na. Kaya katawag ako ng boss ko.
Okay.
The vice president of the company, Miss Manaig, was observing Fenella once in a while. Miss Manaig is not satisfied with Fenella's work anymore.
Oras ng trabaho, dadagdagan sila. Nagsisismisan sila. As their supervisor, kailangan ko lang sila i-guide and supervise.
Kung matatayang performance ng ninyo, ay kung sa bago mo. Pero kung sorry.
Miss Manaig scheduled a team building activity for Fenella's team. They reconcile and reminisce what was in the past, what was their friendship is all about.
Guys, moment ko.
Jean, Fenella's secretary, confessed her longtime feelings for
Walang
Jane.
umamin! Hi! Ako nga pala si Jean. Ako'y nabibighani sa talino mong angkin habang ako'y nakatingin sa kalangitan. Nagtatanong kung bakit ba kita nagustuhan. Ikaw yung tipo ng babaeng masarap kong mahalin. Gagawin ko ang lahat upang ako ay mapansin. Ako'y nahuhumaling sa taglay mong kagandahan. Magandang bini-bini, pwede ba kitang ligawan?
Listen to my heart this time. Put my heart before my mind. I know that what I found is once in a lifetime. And I know there's no way out, 'cause it's once in a lifetime. It's not like I'm running out of time.
Guys,
You're taking
alam ko,
everything
naging
in
maganda yung
stride.
present sa inyo at ang group.
I
And
never thought I'd
gusto ko mag-watch the video tayo. Pwede tayo mag-group ha.